Hi, my name is Asad. Currently, I am doing OSSD. Today, I am making this video for my Unit 6 assignment video presentation, which is vector component. In this one, I will be telling you the examples of it. Let me tell you what is vectors. Vector. Let me compare vector with scalar, so it will be easy for you to get it. Scalar is something which has a magnitude, which we can also say a size, and vector quantity is something which has magnitude, the size, and the direction both. And the vector significance in math is that it deals with the quantity which has magnitude and direction both. And in the real life, let me give you an example. That in real life, it can be used by the control system of the airport to tell the pilot that which thing is coming next in front of him. By using the vector, they can tell him the magnitude, the size of the thing, and in which direction is it coming. So let us start with the basic things which we know, and then we will go on the question, which is this one. First, let me tell you the basic things which will help us in this question, which is one thing is resultant force. If we have an object, and on object the two forces are pulling the object on this side, which is 40 and 20. To take the resultant force, we have to add both of these forces, which will be 60, which will become the resultant force. And to say that what is head and tail, sometimes people get confused what is head and tail in this vector, as it is the introduction of the vector. So let me tell you what is head and tail. If you have this vector, so the arrow, whichever side the arrow is pointed, this one will be the next one will be the head. So as in this one, this is tail, and this one is head. And the other thing is magnitude. Magnitude is difference in x values plus difference in y values. We have furthermore basic things which I will do in next unit. So let's start with this question. I hope this thing you will get to know these things more once we are doing this question. So the question is, AB has its head at -6 and 3. As I told you, head in this one is B. So it will be B, and tail at 4 and -5. So this, as the tail is A, so it will be A. So in this first question, we have to find magnitude of AB. So we'll be using the same formula which I told you before. So it will become -6 -4 square plus 3 minus -5, which will become 100 plus 64, and this will become 10, and the square of 10 is 100, and this will become 8, so the square of 8 is 64. So then it will become square root of 64. But if you want to further simplify it, so it can be like this, and the square root of this one is 2, so it can be like this, but even this one is okay. Let's do the other part now. Find the coordinates of n on Mn if M is this point 10 and 2, and AB is equal to Mn. So now it will be, let's make a graph and first sketch the AB, as we know both of the point of AB, which will become, so it will be better for us to find the Mn. So let's first write the coordinates of B, which is head 6 and 3. Let's assume that -6 is somewhere here, and -6 and 3 is somewhere here, which is B, and 4 and -5 is somewhere here. Just A. So as B is head, so this one will be the head pointing this side. Now we have the coordinates of M and we have to find the coordinates of N. So first we have to sketch M. The M is 10 and 2. So it will be somewhere over here. And to find M we have a very easy technique. That is that you have to find the difference in x value of this one first. So if as we are going from tail to head, it will and if we have to get -6, so we'll minus -10 in this one to get -6, and so if we are minusing -10 in this one in x values to to reach here, so it will be same on this one as AB is equal to MN. So if you put 10 with 10, it will become 0. It will be somewhere over here, which will be 0. And then you see the difference in this one is 8. If you want to get 3, you will have to add 8 in negative side to get 3. And if you're adding 8 in this one, so it will become 10. So this will be the value of N. And the head will be this side, as it is Mn. Now in the part C, find the coordinates of M of Mn on Mn if N is -3 and 0 and AB is equal to Mn. This is the same question, but the coordinates are different. Now we have N and we have to find M. So let's first sketch the coordinates of N, which will be somewhere over here. And as it is equal to Mn or AB, so we'll be doing the same thing which we did over here to see the difference. But now as we know that N is head and we are going to tail from head, so we'll go like this. So in this one, from -6 to 4, if we want to get 4, we will add 10. So we will get, if you're adding 10 in -3, you will get 7. So it will be somewhere around here, 7. And to get -5, you have to deduct -8 from 3 to get -5. So we will be deducting -8 from 0, by which we will be getting this point. This will become M. This will be head over here and tail over here. The difference was that from in here we were going from tail to head, and this one we were going to head to tail. So it was a bit different. Now we have to repeat the part B if Mn is equal to -AB. So -AB is the same as vector BA. To get it positive, we are just changing the direction. So now as we were going that side, we'll go this side. So the head will come here and this will become the tail, the B. As we were going that side, don't get confused as I will go further this side as I don't have the eraser to do it. So I will go, now this vector will start from this point, forget this one from here. Now we are starting a new one from here. So we'll go this side, opposite side, as now it's BA. And even the head is here, the tail is there. However, the tail of M will stay. So now we have the same points. Now we are going from tail to head. We will add 10 to get 4. So even if you're adding 10 over here, you'll be having 20. If you're adding 10 and 10, it gets 20. And if you want to get -5, you will have to deduct 8 from 3. So if you're deducting 2 from 8 from 2, negative 8 from 2, you will get negative 6. This will be the new n. Forget this one, this is the new when you are repeating, and the head will be this side. So this was all the thing which I wanted to do in this video. I hope you have got all my points and everything is clear. Thank you so much.